Let's welcome back to the show from House Ways and Means, Congresswoman Claudia Tenney. It's great to see you again. What do you make of this double whammy for the Democrats? Their shutdown failed. Plus, voters see how broken Obamacare is. Let's talk about it. Obamacare premiums have more than tripled, and health spending has more than doubled since it was enacted in 2010.
Yeah, look, this is the problem. Whenever you subsidize something, you make it more expensive and you make it less affordable, and you squeeze out the private sector, which actually strives to be excellent, bring prices down, and provide more choice. And that's exactly the problem that you'll see in New York. We are the worst. We have the highest rates. We have the highest subsidies going out to insurance companies. And the thing that we're talking about here is, even if we had increased those subsidies, and it would just continue to make the problem even more difficult. And our small businesses, who, by the way, drive the economy, especially in my district in upstate New York, they would be hurt even more. They'd be crowded out even more. Their prices have gone up exponentially, and less choice for them, and forcing people into the New York healthcare system, which is basically Obamacare. Remember, the Democrats are looking for single payer in New York State, which would be just the cost would bankrupt the city and the entire state. So it's not, they don't have a plan. We do have a plan. We've been trying to get numerous different, either very large, comprehensive changes to it, or other ways where we can reduce the cost of healthcare in terms of pharmaceuticals and others.
Yeah, Biden and Democrats blew out Obamacare spending during the pandemic. They did things like where they removed the income cap on Obamacare and raised the income thresholds higher for who could get it. But, Biden declared the pandemic was officially over more than 2 years ago, and still they want even more spending to fix what's broken. I mean, so the Democrats shut the government to defend a broken Obamacare system when taxpayers have to pay the difference. What do you make of the President Trump's idea to directly send money to taxpayers instead of spending it on Obamacare subsidies that end up going to insurers, not to families?
Well, a good parallel for that is no one spends more on education than New York State. We spend more per capita than anyone else. We also spend more on healthcare. But guess what we are starting to do now? When you have actually school choice, where you give parents the money and let them decide where they want their kids to be educated, it's the same idea. Let's create a marketplace. Give people the money that we're subsidizing with them and let them choose the insurance plan that fits them. Remember, Obama always said, if you want your plan, you can keep it. Well, that's not true. People are being pushed off healthcare all the time in New York and being forced onto the state plan, and whether it's the New York plan or the essential plan, so-called, which is Medicaid expansion, those plans are not offering. They're very expensive, and all they do is make insurance companies richer.
It's just like college tuition. You keep subsidizing and it goes up.
Exactly.
Congresswoman Claudia Tenney, you're terrific. Thanks for being with us.